covering the topic of multiplication. Alright, in this lesson you will recognize what are multiples and you'll be able to solve multiplication problems. Alright, now first we're going to talk about multiplication. Now multiplication means that you have a number multiplied by another number, and what that means is that you are taking this number. So for example, we have 3 multiplied by 5, which would mean we have 3 number 5s being added together. So if I were to show you an example, 3 multiplied by 5, we have 5, 5, 5. Alright, we have 3 5s, so that's what it means, 3 times 5, and we add them together, which will give us 15. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Now maybe if we take, for example, 4 multiplied by 3, alright, this would mean we need 4 number 3s being added together. So 3, 3, 3, these are 4 number 3s added together. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Alright, so this is one way to look at it. So it means that you're having 5 and you're adding them. So 3 times 5 means 5 plus 5 plus 5. Add them 3 times. Alright, now this is the simplest way of looking at it, but at your age what you would have to do is you have to refer to the multiplication table and memorize the table. Alright, so we have a table here. We have the multiplication table for 1, for 2, for 3, and you would have to memorize them to make it easier for you to just recall simple multiplication like this instead of always adding the numbers. So for example, if I've memorized my 6 times table, I can say 6 times 5 and I'll know immediately it's 30 because I've already memorized it. Okay, so it's important for you to take the time to memorize the table. Next we have something called a multiple. Now a multiple is the number you get when you multiply a number by another number. So in this example we have 3 multiplied by 5 and we get 15. The number 15 here is a multiple. Okay, over here the number 12, 4 times 3 is 12, right? This is also a multiple. Alright, now we're moving on to multiplying by 10, the number 10 or any tens. So when you multiply by 10, the digits move one place to the left. The value of every digit becomes 10 times bigger. Okay, so if you look here, 12 times 10, I've partitioned it, so 12 is equivalent to 10 plus 2. So now we're multiplying each of these numbers by 10. So 10 multiplied by 10, we'll get 100. 2 multiplied by 10, we get 20. Now we add this number together, we will get 120. So the answer here would be 120. Notice how 12 is moved to the left and a 0 is added to the back for the answer. Now this is what it means, right? It became 10 times bigger, 12 to 120. Now another way to look at this is if I draw you a table, hundreds, tens, and then we have units, right? And draw you a nice table, right? So we have 12, right? And then we multiply it by 10, right? Now what happens is here, this multiplied by 10 goes here and this goes here. We moved it and the 0 moves in here, right?